Hello, welcome to GlideTech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to collaborate with other content creators on TikTok. The steps are easy and simple. So the first thing you have to do is to select the particular story you want to really collaborate with. Click on the share icon at the screen. Scroll gently and click on duet option. So right here, all you have to do is to add the particular video you want to use and duet this content creators video. Let's say I want my own screen to, you can just change the video, you can just change it to the font you want it to have. You can see my own font, you can leave it like this, or you change your screen, make it more colorful by selecting any of this trending. Select any of this trending to use for your screen. But if you like using yourself, you just leave it like this. And now the next thing you have to do is to click on the video option here in order to record the content and your duetting. So it's going to take a few seconds, so just be patient. So the next thing you have to do here is to click on the next option, and then you can now share it on your story. So guys, that is it on how to collaborate with content creators on TikTok. If this video is helpful, do want to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.